All right, for today's activity for writing, we're going to be focusing on opinion writing, but specifically, we're going to be focusing on um, writing an introduction, a strong introduction. What is an opinion? Opinion is what you think or how you feel about something. Some people have different opinions, so depending on the topic, I might have a different opinion than you, and you might have something different from me. Maybe it's the same, but a lot of the times it's different. And for one example, you can ask, how do you feel about basketball? One person might say, I love basketball. And the other person might say, I hate basketball. Okay, so they each have their own opinions. One says they love it and one says they hate it. Is one of them right and one of them wrong? You can't prove that because it's their opinion. So we can share our opinions by writing them. When we write our opinions, we use specific language or specific words, such as I like, I think, I feel, prefer, which means, or is another way to say choose or choice, and favorite. So when we're writing, we need to be using this language when we're telling about our opinion. Or if you're reading a task or something that's asking you to identify whether it's an opinion, if you see these words, I like, I think, I feel, or prefer, or favorite, and there's a few other ones, you know that it's their opinion. So let's see if you can identify the opinion. These are two statements. I like donuts because they are so yummy. And the other one is donuts are made from dough. Which one is the opinion? If you chose the one on the left that says, I like donuts because they are so yummy, you are correct. The key here is to look for words like I like, right? So this one is the correct one. All right, for today's activity, it's going to be, again, I can write a strong introduction. I'm going to go ahead and play just a short video that's going to teach you how to do the activity. All right, so today is Tuesday and we're working right now on our ELA writing activity. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my packet, and mine is not stapled, so I'm just going to take the papers and flip them over and flip to Tuesday, March 31st and keep on going until I can find my writing activity. My writing activity says at the top, I can write a strong introduction. All right, so I just taught you about opinion writing introductions. We talked about that they usually or they always say words like I feel or I think or I like. So you need to make sure that when we're writing our opinion sentences that you're using those keywords. So on this activity, there are four topics that they give you or that we give you. We're going to talk about butterflies, cookies, airplanes, and dinosaurs. So we're going to go ahead and start. I'm going to give you an example for the butterflies, number one. So I'm going to go ahead and use the words I love butterflies because they are so pretty. I'm off to a good start because I used a key word, this love and pretty. These are not words that are facts. These are words of my opinion. Okay, so I love butterflies because they are so pretty. Butterflies sorry, my nose was itchy. Butterflies are so colorful, and have big wings with nice patterns. Okay, so you're going to state your opinion, and then you're going to write a sentence or two introducing the topic that follows your strong introduction. Okay, so I want to see you writing your strong introductions using words like I love or I feel. What other ones can you use? I think, I believe. Okay, so get going with your activity. If you want, you can color the page.
All right. So after you have finished 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's pretty much it for your writing activity. Don't forget to use these words. I'd like, I think, I feel, I prefer, my favorite, those words. And there's many other ones that you can use for your opinion. But they need to include words such as these. All right. Good luck.